You will love the features of this 2017 Audi A8. With less than 80,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Discover the ultimate in power and luxury when you drive the A8. So what if you turn a few heads? The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: sun, moonroof, keyless entry, backup camera, heated mirrors, fog lamps, tire pressure monitoring system, aluminum wheels, Wi-Fi hotspot, blind spot monitor, dual zone AC. Prestige has a certain flavor. Taste it in the A8.